video, I'm going to be showing you all the things we're doing with our cucumbers in the garden. This is such an exciting time for us. We've always wanted to be able to harvest our garden and start preserving. This has been a dream of mine for such a long time, so it's incredible for it to be here, for this day to finally have come. My goal in the future is to be able to preserve a year's worth of food, and this year that is not happening, of course, because this is my first time, but I'm going to call it a small batch preserving year because we've got a smaller garden, so we don't have that much fruit coming in, but we do have enough to start finally preserving. Today I'm going to be showing you the cucumbers that I've got and what I'm going to be doing with them and what I have been doing with them so far. So let me show you the harvest that we've got so far. And keep in mind, I did say small batch. We have a small garden. We don't have like tons and tons and tons of fruit coming in, so this has been very nice because it's not super overwhelming and I can finally just dip my toes into water bath canning, fermenting, as well as hopefully pressure canning some stuff. But let me show you the cucumbers that I got from the garden. So I've got these cucumbers. These are cucumbers for pickling. If I remember the names of the fruits, I will put them up here on the video. And then I have some of these cucumbers. These are cucumbers for salads, but today we are going to be making cucumber lemonade. Yay! And then I also have cucumbers that I've already harvested about like a week or two ago, and I fermented those. So I've got these, oops. I've got these cucumbers that I made into pickles. And then I have these as well. So these two were from my first harvest. I think I had about 9 or 10 cucumbers at this time when I did these. And then now I have about 8 cucumbers here, and these I'm actually going to pickle them. So the first batch I fermented them, so that includes a water and salt brine, but these are going to be a vinegar brine, and then I'm going to can them. So I'm very excited because that's going to be my first time ever canning. I'm super excited. I mean, I hope you guys can tell how excited I am. And then we're also going to be making that cucumber lemonade. So I'm going to be using 2 cucumbers, and then I have 2 lemons. When I make my lemonade, I usually do 3 lemons, but I only had 2 left, so I'm gonna add in a lime into it, and I think that'll help really make it taste even better. I love limes, they're my favorite, so this should be good.
by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back honeysuckle, fresh cut